find the box labeled Electronic Cash Drawer. Unpack your cash drawer and cable. You'll find the key to the cash drawer taped right on top. Use the key to unlock the cash drawer and open it. Take the till out of the drawer. Remove the plastic wrap and the cardboard inside the till. Place the till back into the drawer. Now place the cash drawer upside down next to the AX5 Point of Sale. Move carefully. It's heavy. Plug the end of the cable labeled Cash Drawer into the open port on the bottom of the cash drawer. Plug the other end of the cable into the port labeled Cash Drawer on the AX5 I.O. The cash drawer and the AX5 Point of Sale are now connected.